time for bed. Little sleepyhead, look! Mochi is yawning under a big, cozy blanket. The moon is rising high in the sky, shining down on Mochi's house. It's time to get ready for sleep. Shhh, let's be quiet and help Mochi get ready for bed. Good night, Mochi first. Mochi needs to get clean for bed. What's the first thing we do? We brush our teeth. Mochi is holding a little toothbrush. Let's help Mochi brush. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Up and down and all around. Scrub, scrub, scrub away all the sugar from today. Make them shiny and clean. Great job, Mochi. Your teeth are sparkling white. Are your teeth clean too? It's so important to brush before we go to sleep. Now that Mochi's teeth are all clean, what's next? It's time to wash that cute, sleepy face. Mochi has a soft, fluffy cloth. Let's wash, wash, wash our face. A little splash of water on the nose, a gentle wipe on the cheeks. Let's wash away the day. Splash, splash, splash. Mochi feels so fresh and so clean. Washing our face helps us feel relaxed and ready for sweet dreams. Are you feeling fresh and clean too? Okay, teeth are brushed and face is washed. Mochi is almost ready for bed. But wait, we can't sleep in our day clothes. It's time to put on our pajamas. Mochi has a brand new pair of soft blue pajamas. Let's help Mochi put on pajamas. One arm in, then the other arm in. Now let's pull them up and zip, zip, zip them all the way to the top. Ah, so comfy and cozy. Mochi is wearing warm pajamas, perfect for a good night's sleep. Do you have your favorite pajamas on? Mochi is all ready for bed now. Teeth are brushed, face is washed, and cozy pajamas are on. Look, Mochi is climbing into bed. The bed looks so soft and inviting. Mochi snuggles under the warm blanket. But something is missing. Who does Mochi hug before sleep? It's Mochi's best friend, a cuddly teddy bear. Mochi gives the teddy bear a big warm hug. Hug, hug, hug your teddy bear tight. A goodnight hug makes everything feel safe and sound. The moon is shining brightly through the window. The stars are twinkling in the night sky. Mochi is feeling so sleepy. Mochi's eyes are getting heavier and heavier. Let's say goodnight to everything around us. Good night, moon. Good night, stars. Good night, teddy bear. And good night to you, little one. Mochi closes his eyes, ready to drift off to dreamland. What will Mochi dream about tonight? Maybe flying on a fluffy cloud, or sliding down a rainbow, or having a fun party with all the other little animals. The world of dreams is a wonderful place. Close your eyes and imagine your own happy dreams. Let's review our bedtime routine with Mochi first. We brush our teeth, scrub, scrub, scrub. Then, we wash our face, splash, splash. After that, we put on our cozy pajamas, zip, zip, zip. And finally, we give a big hug to our favorite toy. A simple routine helps us know it's time to rest our bodies and our minds. It's important to get a good night's sleep. When we sleep, our bodies grow strong and our brains get to rest. Waking up in the morning feels so much better after a long, peaceful sleep. You'll have lots of energy to play, learn, and have fun tomorrow. So let's be like Mochi and get ready for a wonderful night of rest. The house is quiet now. Everyone is getting ready to sleep. The world outside is peaceful. Listen to the gentle sound of the night. Mochi is breathing slowly and deeply, already on the way to dreamland. Let's take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Feel your body relax from your toes all the way to your head. Feel the coziness of your blanket. One more time, let's whisper our good nights. Good night, Mochi. Good night, teddy bear. Good night, bright moon. Good night, twinkling stars. And a very special good night to you. We hope you have the sweetest dreams filled with joy and adventure. Sleep tight and don't let the bedbugs bite. We'll see you in the morning, ready for a brand new sunny day. Sweet dreams.